Good morning students. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, which is Adaptation in Plants. In this chapter we are mainly learn about some subtopics like habitat and adaptation, terrestrial plants, aquatic plants and some other adaptation of the plants. Okay. So let's start our chapter. We see lots of plants in our surroundings. Someone grow on plains, someone on mountains, deserts, underwater also. So on the basis of all this adaptation, we categorize our plants. So there are two words, habitat as well as adaptation. What is the difference between both these words? Habitat. Habitat means the place where a living organism live naturally. So this is known as habitat, where the place where the living organism live naturally. And adaptation, the characteristics or the features of that particular place, which is favorable for that organism or living thing, is known as adaptation. Okay. So this is the basic difference between both the words. So, lots of plants like terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, on the basis of their places, like terrestrial plants in plains, where we live in plains. So such type of terrestrial plants. Okay, some plants are grows on desert, like cactus. Cactus grows on in desert. Why? Because of the hot climate, their leaves turn into the spines. Okay, so these are the desert plants. Some plants grows on mountains, like coniferous trees. Remember, in our GK quiz time, we know about the coniferous trees, which grows on mountains. And because of this, we found lots of snowfall for that. Their leaves come into the spines, so the snow not collect there. Okay, coniferous trees. Some trees are grows on swamps. Trees like coconut grows on coastal areas. Likewise, some aquatic plants also. Some plants are underwater, and some are on the surface of the water, like lotus. And there is another adaptation of plants, like someone are insectivorous plants. They eat insects. Pitcher plant, remember in GK classes, we know about the pitcher plant. They eat insects. Some aromas comes out from the inner surface, and insects attract to us them. Pitcher plants, as well as some other plants have a yellow or red colored leaf. So such type of other adaptation they have. Okay. So this is the overall idea about this chapter, and let's start our chapter with the first topic, which is terrestrial plants. What's the meaning of terrestrial? The landmark where we live, they are known as terrestrial, and all the plants which grow in that landmark is known as terrestrial plants. So because of this, on our landmark there are lots of variations, like somewhere is plain, somewhere mountains found, coastal area, somewhere desert. So on the basis of all these categories, the plants are divided mainly into 5 categories. The first one is plants in plains. These plants which are found in the plain areas, they are known as plants in plains. And after that, plants also grow on mountains. So plants on mountains. Some plants are like cactus grown in desert. So plants in desert. Someone like coconut are found in coastal areas. So the plants in coastal areas, and someone is grown in swamps. So the plants are in swamps. So on this way, there are 5 categories: plants in plains, plants on mountains, plants in desert, plants in swamps, and plants in coastal areas. So these 5 categories we are mainly reading in this chapter. The first one is plants in plains. Plains where we live, those areas, the huge flat landmark is known as plains, and those plants like our where we see lots of plants like our guava, mango tree, banana tree, lychee, banana, all of them are mainly grown in plain areas, so all of them are found in plains. Because of the rainfall, these plants which are found in plain areas categorized in 2 parts. The first one is the plants which receives low rainfall, and the second one is the plants which receives high rainfall. So in this way they are divided into 2 parts. What are the characteristics of those plants which are having which receive low rainfall? Mainly those plants which receive low rainfall, they have lots of branches, they have lots of branches because of they receive very low rainfall, as well as because of their scarcity of water, so that they set their leaves during dry season. Okay, so these main 2 characteristics of those plants which have receive very low rainfall. They have lots of branches, as well as they shed their leaves during dry seasons, and such type of plants are known as the plants which shed their leaves. They are known as deciduous trees. Remember, we are learned about all these deciduous trees about in our quiz time in GK classes. So these are known as mainly deciduous trees. So deciduous trees are found in that type of area which receive very low rainfall. After that, the example of all them like mango, gulmohar, so all of them are the example of those plants which receive low rainfall. Okay, and the second one is plants which receives high rainfall. Because of this, they receive high rainfall, they have plenty of water, so that they have lots of leaves, and they are evergreen forest. They are known as evergreen forest because of this. They have lots of leaves because of the plenty of water. Their leaves always grow and green in color, obviously, so that they are known as evergreen forest. Okay, so those plants they receive very low rainfall. They are known as deciduous trees, and those plants they receive high rainfall. They are known as evergreen trees. Okay, so on the basis of those category we are divided into 2 parts. Teak and rubber are the example of the evergreen trees. So these are the 2 types of the plants in plains. Okay. So this is all about for today. In our next video we are discussing our further topics.